Since the launch of DJI Mini 4 Pro, we are seeing the Mini 3 Pro being sold all over that used market. But in today's video, I'm going to be telling you why you shouldn't sell your Mini 3 Pro just yet. You see, the Mini 4 Pro is a fantastic drone. We've seen loads of features pumped into this drone. We've now got waypoints, cruise control, night video mode. The camera's had a performance boost, so it's just as good as DJI Air 3. Active track's much better on here now. It is fantastic. The best small drone you can get. However, the elephant in the room is on the back of it, and this is the C0 label. You see, from January 2024, the Mini 4 Pro will have a height restriction put on it, a height lock of 120 meters. So you won't be able to go over 120 meters in height in EU countries. Now, DJI haven't implemented this just for the fun of it. It's actually from EASA. So all manufacturers have to comply with this new ruling from January 2024. For C0 drones. And there is some confusion at this because EASA state it should be 120 meters from the takeoff point, but then also EASA state it's 120 meters from the ground level, so above ground level, which are two completely different things. Very confusing and not straightforward. But because DJI is a manufacturer, they have to comply with this. So the Mini 4 Pro from January will be restricted to 120 meters in EU countries. So if you're outside of the EU, like UK, US, Canada, Australia, then everything's going to be just as it is, even from January. So I can go on this and I can switch it up to 500 meters in height if I wanted to, and then I will just have to acknowledge this message on the screen, and then I can do that. In the EU, on the Mini 4 Pro, I wouldn't be able to. Whereas the Mini 3 Pro currently isn't affected. But from January 2024, again, all Mini 3 Pros sold from DJI and other manufacturers will also have that C0 label on it, meaning again in EU countries, you're going to be restricted to 120 meters. But what about if you already have a Mini 3 Pro? This isn't classed as a C0 drone right now. It's not restricted, and it shouldn't be next year either. But there will be a firmware update coming towards the end of the year, which will also put the restriction on the Mini 3 Pro as well to comply with these rulings. And people are selling their Mini 3 Pros all over the world, especially in the UK. These are flooded on the used market. So Facebook and eBay, you can pick one of these up for literally £200–300. People are selling these with the Flymore kit. Ridiculous prices. Even a chain store is only offering £319 for the Mini 3 Pro in good condition, whereas DJI is still selling this right now for £769. So if you want to go and buy a Mini 3 Pro from January 2024, it will have that C0 label on it, meaning it's going to be restricted to 120 meters, just like the Mini 4 Pro as well. So I think then the demand and the value for the Mini 3 Pro is going to skyrocket. So if you already have a Mini 3 Pro and it's not restricted and you don't update that firmware, I mean, you don't have to update that firmware unless DJI put a few features in here, maybe like cruise control or a few extra things to actually think, yeah, I actually really want that. And I'm not that bothered about the restriction anyway. I'd rather have these new features. So I think therefore the demand for these without the restriction, people are going to pay a lot of money to pick up a small drone that's still fantastic, still 4K, takes really good photos and videos. But if you live in an EU country, this is going to play a big deal for you. Now, I don't ever really go over 120 meters unless I'm in a situation where I might be walking or driving up the side of a mountain and my ground level is changing all the time. The drone might be tracking me in that case. And I want to be able to put it over 120 meters, but I'm still complying with that law. However, now if I go to an EU country, like say Tenerife for instance, and I'm walking or cycling up a mountain, this drone's going to be restricted, either of these, to 120 meters. So my Mini 3 Pro, I am not selling it, and I probably won't be updating that firmware either. We saw this with Twitter when it changed to X. People would have an iPhone and they'd have the old version of Twitter, and then they're selling their phone with that Twitter old classic logo for thousands of pounds on eBay. It is crazy. So I think the demand for this is going to go well up. So a quick video there for you guys. If you're selling this on Facebook and eBay for £200–300, take it off. It's worth well more than this. It's a fantastic drone. Just hold on to it for a few more months. And if you want to get the Mini 4 Pro, yes, it is a fantastic drone. It is better than the Mini 3 Pro. These features on here are fantastic. It is the best small drone, like I said. But just try and find something else to sell. So go and sell your wife's clothes or shoes on Vinted. Look down the sofa, sell anything. Just don't sell your Mini 3 Pros just yet. Take them off these used sites like Facebook and eBay. It is worth lots more than £200–300. Don't sell it. Wait and get a lot more for it, because I think the value for this is going to go well up. So I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. If you did, just hit that like button. It really does help out. I hope you're a fantastic weekend. I've got loads of content coming next week and the week after, so hit the subscribe button if you're new around here. I don't want you to miss out, and I'll see you on the next one.